Are you trying to present a slide deck using CrankWheel and not sure how to get started? In this video, I'll show you how to present your slide deck in CrankWheel quickly and efficiently. Stick around till the end because I'll also share an alternative solution that might just be a better fit for your needs, along with an exclusive offer that only our viewers can get. Let's get started. First off, when you open CrankWheel, the user interface is pretty straightforward. You'll see a button on the top to share your screen, and this is where you'll begin. Click on that button and select the option to share a specific window. This is where your slide deck comes into play, so make sure you have it open in a program like PowerPoint or Google Slides. Now, next thing you want to do is customize your settings. You can tweak things like the resolution, ensuring your slides display clearly for the audience. There's also a handy toolbar that gives you the option to pause sharing or even switch between different shared windows if you need to navigate away from your presentation. The third thing to mention is how easy it is to invite viewers. Once you're ready to present your slide deck, CrankWheel gives you a unique URL. You can send this link directly to your viewers through email or message, and they can view the slides instantly. No downloads or logins required, which is a huge plus for user experience. Next, let's talk about controlling the flow of your presentation. As you move through your slides, CrankWheel allows you to control the pace with a simple, intuitive interface. You can also enable drawing tools if you need to highlight anything on your slides, making the experience more interactive for your viewers. Now, when it comes to things CrankWheel doesn't do as well, while it's great for simple presentations, it lacks some advanced collaboration features that other platforms provide. If you're working on a live, interactive presentation with a lot of feedback or discussions, CrankWheel may not be your best option for team engagement. The fourth thing to consider is the audience experience. While CrankWheel is known for its high-quality streaming, sometimes viewers might experience lag, especially if they're using mobile devices or have slower internet connections. It's something to keep in mind if you're working with large audiences or have viewers from varying locations. And here's where we get to an exciting part. While CrankWheel is solid for simple slide presentations, I want to highlight a great alternative that might actually be a better fit for presenting more engaging and dynamic presentations. Insert competitor software name. This tool offers advanced collaboration, enhanced customization, and features that can take your presentations to the next level. It also has an extended free trial that you can access through our link. So, before you decide if CrankWheel is the right fit for you, check out this alternative and compare the features for yourself. We've also got an exclusive offer for you through our link, giving you the best free trial and extra benefits only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that extended free trial through our link.